the Chaga tribe, the one that loves money a lot, and they're rich, but the richest is the higher. So, are you rich?
On my side, I can say that I'm not that rich. Yeah, but I'm heading there. I'm not that rich, but I'm heading there.
I remember one day Bob Marley was asked
The
the
same
same
question.
question. Yeah, like, are you rich? And then he was like, rich? What do you mean when you say rich?
What is rich?
What is rich?
Yeah, we define richness in different
Yeah.
perspectives.
How do you
Yeah.
define richness?
Okay, on my side, if you have something that is satisfying you, you see, you can define yourself as a rich. You see, we don't define richness in terms of money only. You see, there are people who are rich in education. You see, they have a lot of skills, but there are people who have a lot of money. They are also rich. But when it comes to reality, when we speak about richness, people are thinking about money. You see, yeah.
But I personally think it's how you define it. I could have made maybe, let's say, 1 million Tanzanian shillings in the month and be okay with it. But because maybe what I like to do is just to do a podcast so that people understand and get to see or hear values. So that's me being rich. That's my definition of rich. But end of the day, I think, as for me personally, it all comes down to freedom. Being able to do what you want, when you want, whatever you want to do. When I'm able to do that, then you can define yourself as being rich. My side, at least.
Okay, there is something that I'm always sharing with people. For example, when you go to the forex traders, or let's say forex industry, there are people, let's say, if they lose $1,000, they don't feel anything. It's like they have lost a single shilling, you see. But there are people, when they lose even $10, it frustrates them, you see. So, like richness, when we were speaking about richness, I think it depends.
Exactly, because I also, the other day, I lost 20,000 shillings and I lost my mind. Yeah, I had a very bad day, bro.
Okay.
But sometimes it's not because of losing the money. I think it might be sometimes because of the principle. You not remembering where you put it. It's inakuboa yani. Where did I leave it? Where is it? And it's not because it's pissing you off that it's 20 shillings. It's because was I stupid enough to lose this money?
The thing is, I didn't get the value for my money because for me, I treat every single dollar as an employee that I'll put it somewhere and it's gonna go and work for me and bring me more dollars. But that money
Did not do
dropped
anything.
out of my pocket, so I didn't see any value of it, and it really hurt me a lot.
Okay? We've all defined richness. What's richness to you?
So richness to me is when I have enough wealth for myself. I mean, when I'm financially stable, and not just stable, I'm financially free, that I don't have to work for money anymore. And then when I have good health, also when I have friends like this, yeah,
So are you rich yet?
I can say I am rich, very rich.
Don't
So
bring
I
Bob
can't
Marley.
complain.
Don't bring Bob Marley stuff here. So you are rich. So
Yeah.
just to understand is that Musa is actually rich and he's wealthy. You can say wealthy.
Or you can just say, I'm just trying to fake it until I make it. So Prudence, for people who don't know Forex at all, most people, when they hear about Forex, they think it's a scam. We have a brother called Brever Oven. Shout out to Brever, by the way. He was here in one of our episodes. He changed his company from a Forex company to an investment firm because he didn't want to use the word Forex anywhere, because most Tanzanians have been scammed through Forex. So whenever you mention Forex, uitapeli. Yeah. So for people who don't know Forex, what is Forex?
Okay, I will start by saying this. You know, when this thing called forex came to our side, not only in Tanzania, specifically almost in Africa, you see, it came in a different perspective. They brought us a different thing. What do I really mean? People were coming this way, showing that it is very easy for you to become a millionaire when trading. You see, that let's say you just invest your money and that money turns into millions within a short period of time. So they were catching people's minds, you see, telling them that if you started trading, you're going to become a millionaire within a short period of time. You're going to get a lot of money, you see. So everyone thought that it can do this and become a millionaire. But when you come to reality, financial markets trading needs skills. Now, a lot of people are just jumping without having any skills. They just started trading. Bro, you cannot do anything without knowing exactly what you're doing. See? So in trading, we need skills. Financial markets, you are going to compete with people who are skilled. You see? So you just move from there, knowing nothing, you invest your money, doing something that you don't understand, and then you expect returns. Something which is not okay. So when these people are coming this way, brought us the different image, you see, telling us that you can just invest your money, do this, and get a lot of money. But when you come to reality, you have to hustle a lot. You see, you have to hustle a lot. You have to learn a lot, so that now you can get those skills that can support you, and you start seeing something from these financial markets. In reality, trading has money, but in order for you to get that money, you have to do some work here. And the biggest work is to acquire those skills. Yeah, that's it.
That's Forex in a nutshell. And what does FX Pesa actually do?
Okay, in order for you to trade in those financial markets, you as an individual, because you have a very small capital, you cannot access those financial markets, specifically the Forex market. You cannot access it, you see, because it needs a lot of money as the capital, you see. So here in between, we need someone who can connect us with the market. And here is when we speak about the broker or the brokerages. You see, these are like businessmen. You see, they're putting their money there, they connect you to the market, and then there are some business that is being done here in between. It's like any other businesses. Let's say, for example, if you go to the bureau de change to change your money, they are going to give you the buying price and the selling price. You see, so likewise in trading, we get those prices from the broker. You see, the brokerages, they're getting the prices from, let's say, the liquidity providers, you see, but they're adding something there as the profit, you see, because they're doing the business, you see. So in order for you to access those financial markets, or in order for you to access the market, you need someone to connect you, you see. And the brokers, let's say, for example, FX Pesa, the big thing that they're doing, they're giving you leverage so that you can be seen like you have a very big amount of money as your capital, you see, so that you can access the market, you see. So the biggest role played by FX Pesa, or let's say any other broker, is connecting traders to the market. That's all.
So they come and trade through FX Pesa.
Yeah, you have to open your trading account with a broker, and then you're being connected to the market.
So what's the difference if I trade it by myself or if I use FX Pesa? Like, what's the advantage of me using FX Pesa?
Okay, what I've said is that you cannot access those markets without the broker. Yeah, because you need a bigger capital. You see, now what the brokers do here is that they make sure that they are connecting you to the market, but they're the ones who are giving you the buying price and selling price. You see, so they just give you a platform where you can access the market. That's it.
So they can manipulate the price anytime they want.
Okay, now as I've told you that this is business, you see, even in a brokerage business,